Imagine you've created the best product in the world, but nobody knows it exists. That's exactly where marketing comes in. Marketing is the bridge between your idea and the people who might want it. But what does marketing really mean? Is it just advertising, or is it something much deeper? Today we're going to take a closer look at marketing. We'll explore how it works, the core principles you need to understand, the strategies that actually get results, and the tips and tricks that can help you grow your reach. And here's the good news. Whether you're just starting out or you already have some experience, you'll leave this video with valuable insights you can put into action. Most people immediately think of advertising when they hear the word marketing, TV commercials, billboards, Instagram ads. But marketing is far more than just advertising. At its core, it's about understanding people's needs and shaping products or services that meet those needs. So, marketing isn't about forcing something on people that they don't want. It's about offering solutions to real problems. Great marketing puts the customer at the center. Marketers call this customer centricity. That means your customer isn't just a buyer, they're the foundation of your entire strategy. When you understand what drives them, their desires, their fears, their hopes, you can craft a message that truly resonates. A classic framework that still matters today is the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. Product is what you're offering. It needs to have real value. Without substance, even the best advertising won't help. Price is about much more than just a number. It's about positioning. Are you targeting premium customers or going for the mass market? Place is where and how your product reaches people, in stores, online, through an app, or even a subscription model. And promotion is how you communicate, your ads, your campaigns, your messaging. When these 4 elements are aligned, you create strong marketing. Not only does it generate attention, but it also builds trust. One of the biggest mistakes in marketing is trying to speak to everyone. Successful marketing always begins with a clear target audience. Ask yourself, who are my customers really? What are their demographics, their age, gender, income, location? But even more important, what motivates them? What are their values, their interests, their dreams? This is where the idea of buyer personas comes in. These are fictional profiles that represent your ideal customers. Let's say you're opening a gym. One persona might be Lisa, 28, works in an office, wants to stay in shape, but has very little time. With a persona like that, you can create campaigns that speak directly to her needs. The internet has completely transformed marketing. In the past, businesses relied on newspapers, radio, and TV. Today, anyone can build an audience through social media and their own websites. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube are incredibly powerful tools, but only if you use them the right way. The key is to create content that provides value, not just ads. This is called content marketing. Instead of always pushing your product, you offer tips, share stories, or solve problems for your audience. By doing this, you build trust, and trust is one of the most valuable currencies in marketing. People don't buy only with their heads, they buy with their hearts. That's why storytelling is one of the most powerful marketing tools. Instead of just listing features, tell a story. For example, imagine you're selling running shoes. Instead of reciting technical specs, tell the story of a runner training for her first marathon who pushes through challenges and succeeds, thanks to your shoes. Stories create emotions, and emotions stick. That's why strong brands are always built on stories that people remember. Marketing often uses principles of psychology. Take scarcity, for example. If something is only available for a limited time, people want it more. Or social proof. If many others love a product, we're more likely to trust it. That's why customer reviews and testimonials are so effective. Even details like colors, sounds, and visuals can make a big difference. Red creates urgency. Blue inspires trust. Smart marketing knows how to use these effects in a way that feels authentic and sustainable. To wrap things up, Let me give you some concrete advice. First, be consistent. Your brand's voice and look should be the same across all channels. Second, test and optimize. In digital marketing, you can run A/B tests to see which messages work best. Third, use data. Analytics tools give you valuable insights into how people react. And finally, build real relationships. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, be approachable. Marketing is not a monologue. It's a dialogue with your customers. Marketing isn't magic. It's a tool that anyone can learn to use. At its core, it's about understanding people, telling stories, and building trust. And when you combine the right foundations with smart strategies, you can achieve great results, even on a small budget. So let me ask you, which marketing strategy do you find the most interesting? Classic advertising, social media, or storytelling? Share your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more tips on business, finance, and strategy.